Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York, and we are in Las Vegas on the Las Vegas Strip, Center Strip, and we're going to visit the Linq Promenade. It's been a while since I've been here. The Linq Promenade is one of those places where if you're sitting up in the hotel room or you're in the casino and you say to yourself, I don't know what to do with myself for the next hour or two, the Linq Promenade's a great answer because it gives you ideas on perhaps what to do later in the evening if you're here during the day. Lots of people. I think it's one of the busiest places on the Las Vegas Strip, and I really enjoy visiting this place. And of course, there's always that observation wheel at the very end of the promenade. Lots of restaurants with all different price points, and there's lots of shops and even some clubs as well. And, well, quite frankly, it's one of the greatest places on the Las Vegas Strip to go people watching. You'll always find a cast of characters here at the Linq Promenade. So let's check it out, shall we? If you're a newbie to Las Vegas, the Linq Promenade is located smack dab center, running right down the middle of the Linq Hotel and Casino, which is on the left, and the Flamingo Hotel and Casino, which is on the right, both Caesars property. And I believe the entire Linq Promenade, by the way, including that observation wheel, is managed by Caesars as well. This is Mitzi, the rubber ducky showgirl, who shows up on all my Vegas videos. As most of you know, there are hidden mascots, or some of you call them Easter eggs, in my videos. Mitzi shows up in all the Vegas ones. Sometimes she's easy to spot, other times she's quite elusive, so keep your eyes open while watching the video. If you spot her, note the time in the comments below, and if you're the first one, you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. I'm here in the late afternoon, and as I said before, this is a great place to do some people watching. Lots of bars right along the edges here where people are walking. Even in the late afternoon, which is when we're here right now, there's some live entertainment here, so you get to hear some live bands or live singers, and you get to enjoy a cocktail, a beer, maybe a glass of wine, and watch people walk by. Sometimes I find this better than sitting in a casino lounge, especially during the daytime. Casino lounges to me are more of a nighttime thing. Some of the shops you'll find here at the Linq Promenade include Chili Beans, Harley Davidson, Pier 30, Socks and Bottoms, I Love Sugar, Nectar Bath Treats, Gorian Brothers Hat Shop, Honolulu Cookie Company, Welcome to Las Vegas, Club Tattoo, Razor, and Sky Shop. Some of the casual sit-down restaurants include Flour and Barley Brick Oven Pizza, Chayo Mexican Kitchen and Tequila Bar, Yard House, Off the Strip, Virgil's Real Barbecue, Guy Fieri's Vegas Kitchen and Bar, Tilted Kilt Irish Pub and Eatery, Hash House A Go-Go, Favorite Bistro, Jabaritos, Maxine's, and Nook Express. And if it's quick bites you're looking for, there's always Starbucks, Dunkin', Sweets Inn, Hot Doggery, which makes some really good gourmet hot dogs, Ghirardelli Ice Cream and Chocolate Shop, Gordon Ramsay's Fish and Chips. I had fish and chips there, they're delicious. I've heard other people say otherwise though, but mine were pretty good. There's an In-N-Out Burger here, not one of my favorite burger joints, and a Breeze Daiquiri as well. And if you're looking to get your drink on, there's American Beer and Cocktails, Tilted Kilt Pub and Eatery, 3535 Las Vegas Cocktail Bar, Brooklyn Bowl Las Vegas, Catalyst Las Vegas Cocktail Bar, O'Shea's Pub Las Vegas, Purple Zebra Las Vegas Daiquiris, and Rematch. So as I said earlier in this video, lots to see, do, eat, and drink here at the Linq Promenade. Maxie's on the right here serves breakfast, lunch, and dinner, but they're known for their over-the-top breakfasts, whatever the plural of breakfast is. Anyway, if you like over-the-top food, you got to come to Maxie's for breakfast here at the Linq Promenade in Las Vegas. And straight ahead is the High Roller, which used to be the world's tallest observation wheel. No longer is, folks. They built a much taller one in Dubai on the other side of the world. But now the High Roller can call itself and is calling itself the tallest observation wheel in the U.S. But hey, I still love the High Roller, and with over 30,000 views on the New York channel, it's the #1 video here. If you look up, you'll see those 10 wires or those 10 lines going by, and that's the Fly Linq zip line, another attraction here at the Linq Promenade. It's the first and only zip line on the strip created by the team behind the High Roller. It's 122 feet above the Linq Promenade, and there are 10 side-by-side lines. And on this zip line, you get to choose between riding in a seated or in the Superman position. If you're visiting Vegas during the holiday season, you'll see the Linq Promenade absolutely transformed. Some of the best decorations in the city emerge in this area, as well as carolers strolling around and festive holiday music. And that's really a great time to ride the high roller if you're around during the holidays, because you'll get a bird's eye view of everything going on and all the beautiful lights and holiday decorations below. The Linq Promenade also celebrates St. Patrick's Day and the 4th of July with special festivities as well. The Linq Promenade isn't as old as many people think. It's only 7 years old, and when it was built, it promised to become a different kind of versatile entertainment experience in Las Vegas. Well, it's evolved and made good on that promise several times over. It's acknowledged as one of the most energetic attractions anywhere in this city. Well, I hope you enjoyed our little walk through the Linq Promenade this afternoon, and if you're in town for a while, make sure you visit it not only during the daytime, but the evening as well. It's a totally different atmosphere. At night, it's a little bit louder and a little bit more crazy. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.